Man, I have not been live in a very, very long time. And I know my hair looks crazy. I was thinking about, hi everyone that's joining. I was thinking about filming like a whole video, like getting ready, doing my hair, and so I looked presentable. Hey, but I am way too excited, which is why I'm still in my house coat because I just woke up. My hair is crazy, but this came in and I wanted to go live and open it with everyone because I'm really excited. Clearly I could not wait. So, oh my goodness. So if you are unaware, the beginning of the month, we hit 100,000 foiled friends on YouTube, which is a pretty significant milestone, and I'm like so freaking pumped about it. So, oh my goodness, I'm like nervous to open it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna open it. Thank you. Okay, here we go. I feel like I'm gonna keep this box too, because as you guys know, I keep the boxes for everything. Okay, oh, better not show that. You guys will be showing up at my house. Okay. Oh, I think there's one underneath too. So when you hit 100,000 supporters or subscribers on YouTube, you get a plaque, and it's changed throughout. Okay, so you get a plaque. You kept it in the box, that way you can safely pack it when you move. That's a great idea. Yeah. Did you hang yours on your wall, Corinne? Or is it sitting on your shelf behind you? Oh my gosh, I don't want to rip it. I feel like a grandma opening something on Christmas. Oh my goodness. We got foam. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm not going to look at the plaque first. I'm going to read this little thingy from YouTube. Okay. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? English is hard today, apparently. Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you. Why am I getting emotional? Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah. Okay, your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and excitement of being part of the growing community that you established. I know this is a generic note, but I'm getting so emotional. Oh, okay. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! Now that you have many more stories to share with your community, oh my gosh. Okay, we know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building, and we can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan, CEO of YouTube. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I'm all emotional, friends. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thanks, Rick. You the man. If your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, please contact us. Okay. I'm sorry I'm crying, guys. Are you guys one of those people, like, if you see someone else cry, you cry? Because I'm totally that way. Okay. This seems so cheesy to get so emotional about this, and I'm sorry. You're gonna see my last name, but it'll probably be backwards. Oh, what a start to the week. You are so right. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Oh, you can see yourself and the rest of my messy desk in the mirror. Oh my gosh. We did it! We did it! Okay. I need to chill out. And I'm just gonna end up like a super sappy mess. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this impromptu little unboxing this morning. I'm really happy and I'm very, very thankful. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. I hope you guys have a really awesome week, and thank you so much. And now I'm gonna awkwardly try and end this live. Oh my goodness. Okay, have an awesome day. Bye.